11th standard Computer Science and Computer Application, Chapter 18, Tamil Computing. In this video, we are going to learn about uses of Tamil in internet and search engines in Tamil and e-governance, e-library. Now, let us start. So, the first, we all know that the computer development is begin as a earlier calculating tool. The computer first beginning for calculating tool and has now become an essential ingredient for growth for the existence of human life without computer. So without computer, human life is nothing. It is true that any language will be outdated when it does not have the ability to adapt itself to the changing technologies. Tamil is living language for thousands of years. Tamil is a living language for thousands of years. Development of modern technologies does not affect the growth of classical Tamil as it is ready to adapt the growing technology changes. Tamil is not just a language, it is our identity, our life and our sense. எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழென்று சங்கே விளங்கு புரட்சி கவி. Now, Tamil in internet. So we know that the internet today plays a vital role in every man's life. Internet is a basic information technology device through which we get no information. In 2017, study conducted by KPMG, a Singapore-based organization along with the Google reported that Tamil topped the list among the most widely used language in India. So in India, most commonly used language, where 42% people are using the internet in Tamil. 42% of people using internet in Tamil. As per study by 2021, 74% of people in India will access internet using Tamil, and it will be in the top usage of internet in India. Top usage of internet in India. So these statistical data will be useful to improve the internet services, languages and adoption proportionality. So Hindi 54%, Bengali 46%, Telugu 60%, Tamil 74%, Marathi 43%, Gujarati 43%, Kannada 74%, Malayalam 44%. Now, search engines in Tamil. So we have some search engines using Tamil. That is, the search engine means it is used to search any information from the cyberspace. Search engines are used to search any information from the cyberspace. You can search any information. So there are many search engines, but only a few of them are frequently in use. In the top 10 search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, take first 3 places respectively. So these are the top three search engines. Google and Bing provide search engine facilities in Tamil also. So these two search engines provide in Tamil also. which means we can search everything through Tamil. The Google search engine gives you an inbuilt Tamil virtual keyboards. Next, e-governance. E-governance. So getting government services through the internet is called e-governance. To getting government services through internet. Can get information through internet. Then, Government of Tamil Nadu has been giving its services through internet. One can communicate with the Government of Tamil Nadu from any corner of the world. One can get important announcements, government orders and government welfare schemes from the web portal of Government of Tamil Nadu. So, in the Government of Tamil Nadu portal, we can get any information about related to government websites. And then e-governance through Tamil and web addresses. So, official website of Government of Tamil Nadu, www.tn.gov.in/ta Tamil Nadu. Department of Agriculture, we use www.aed.aed.tn.gov.in. So, agriculture website. And for Department of Environment, we used www.environment.tn.nic.in. And next, Directorate of Government Examination, www.dge.tn.nic.in. We searched our exam results, many things. Then, Tamil Nadu Health Department, tnhealth.organization. And Rural Development and the Panchayat Raj Department, www.tnrd.gov.in. And next, Tamil Nadu Forest Department, www.forest.tn.gov.in. And next, Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Department, www.tnhrce.org. And Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, tnpsc.gov.in. And official websites of Government of Sri Lanka, www.gov.lk and index.php. And next, we start with e-library. E-library. So here it is, e-library is a portal or website of collections of e-books. It is collections of e-books. Then Tamil e-library services provide thousands of Tamil books as e-books, mostly are free of cost. We use mostly at the free of cost. Then it is the most useful service to Tamil people who live far away from their homeland. They can search the books through online. So we have some websites for Tamil e-library. Tamil Nadu School Education and Teacher Education Training textbooks and resources. They used www.textbookonline. Online.tn.nic.in. And next, Tamil Virtual Academy, www.tamilbu.org. Library, libindex.htm. And then Tamil Digital Library, tamildigitallibrary.in. Tamil Digital Library.in. And next, Project Madurai, www.projectmadurai.org. And old books and manuscripts, www.tamilheritage.org. And Noolagam, www.noolagam.org. So we used many websites, web address for e-library.